Today I'm going to walk you through my full process for a spatchcock turkey, from brine to smoke, using a simple technique, clean ingredients, and bold California flavor. Let's get after it.
This 20-pound turkey's been sitting in brine for over 2 days, using kitchen shears, and don't stray away from this part, y'all. Cut along both sides of the backbone. Take your time, let the tool do the work. Once the bone is out, flip the turkey over and press down on the breastplate until it lays flat. You'll hear a small little break. Now for my favorite part, the seasoning. So take your SoCal Cools rub out, do a light seasoning under the skin, then a generous coat on the outside. This will bring brightness, depth, and just enough heat to let your turkey shine. You can do it in one of which 3 ways. You could sprinkle it over through the bag, you can put it in the coolest blue metal shaker, or you can just get nitty gritty with your hands. Now we build flavor from the inside out. Gently lift the skin and slide in 3 to 4 sticks of grass-fed butter. As this melts, it bastes the meat naturally and keeps the breast incredibly juicy. Lay the turkey flat on the center of the grill with the backbone removed. Everything cooks evenly. No dry breast, no underdone thighs. Every 40-50 minutes or so, you can spritz with melted butter, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit more SoCal Cools rub. This keeps the skin relaxed, builds layers of flavor, and locks in moisture. When the breast hits 165 and the thighs reach around 175, it's time to pull the bird. Let it rest. That's when the juices settle and the texture finishes. And that's Coolest Blue Barbecue Spatchcock Turkey. Smoky, buttery, and packed with flavor. It's a simple process, intentional ingredients, and results you can taste. Thanks for cooking along.